Hi, this is Cool Nerd where I'm going to show you my cool new lawnmower. Okay, it is a Craftsman Platinum, okay, and it's 7 foot-pounds of torque, 190 cc's, and I've got it all set up. I have it on 3 right there, and it's Craftsman Easy Walk, see, and it's pretty cool. Easy to drive. I'm just gonna show you how to start it and show you me driving it for a sec. Okay, first I'm going to put this lever down, hold that down, and then I'm gonna take this part and pull. Sorry, this is hard to do. Okay, take the lever.